Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So today I want to talk about how to get into a trade. My goodness, I unselected. And yeah, so let me see here. All right, so was this maybe was the wave 3, this is the wave 4, or still ongoing wave 4, I'm not sure yet, right? We do have this downtrend converging slightly channel, and I did got into a trade on the daily. You can see that RSI, the stock RSI, is already oversold, and actually it's coming around now. The RSI, the normal RSI, is still going down. It's very nice because its level is 44, so it's low, it's ready to. I would say it's all fuel up and ready to go. The 4 hours also, it's looking good, and the hourly amazing. So now I think 2 days ago, no, yesterday, I got in the Rune trade. So I got in here and I put my sell stop limit just a little bit below the previous local low. Now we did had, let me enlarge the screen here. Don't need indicators anymore. There you go. So once again, we do have this trend as acting as a resistance. I was hoping that, yeah, Rune would break it. He actually did. And also we did break. Let me take out these drawings now. And yeah, so another way to do it, as soon as we have a one full candle out of, and we're breaking out, right? We could scale in. So one technique would be maybe 30% you get in at this level here, 30% on the breakout. And if it does a retest, then on the downtrend line, then you get your other 30%. We can also see the red line is the MA50, and so for the moment we can say the MA50 is acting as a support. I know we momentarily lost it for a moment, but I'm pretty much sure we're going to bounce back. And yeah, so that's pretty much how one way how to do it. We'll add more when here. I should say we'll add more if here or if we come here. Not sure. Now it did. So I did get more. For the record, I didn't got any here because I simply forgot. And so I did got in here, and I kind of projected, a level where it could go, and then I said, fine, around this block here. So I put an alarm, and then after that I just bought it. And yeah, so that's pretty much all for Rune. Now what's my next target? Let's go on the 4 hours maybe. Did I do the chart for that? All right, so now I'm going to maybe clear out these ones actually. Let's see, call outs. All right, so let me hide those little guys. Call outs. This is another way to do it, so you can clean up your chart and not erase everything. Right, so once again, full chart. So now, since I didn't do the long term, let me pull back the weekly. And what do we see? I do see a little bit of resistance here, so it's definitely going to, well, price definitely going to have a little bit of a challenge at this level here. So we're talking 780 to 780 to 836. All right, so small resistance here. Bigger one, honestly, is going to be here. So we're talking about 1220 to 1190. After that, we jump once again much higher. We're talking about 1480 to 15 kind of. And yeah, for the higher high, then we do have a resistance here starting, I would say, about 20, and I'm going to do a big gap here, or a big resistance level, which often, yeah, the coins are going to maybe struggle to pass through, because I wouldn't be surprised that Rune just go and blast through this level and maybe this one and go maybe a nice sidewalk here. But here I do believe that if it's going to go here, it's going to go more likely and go on the side, make a consolidation, and then make a new higher high for this cycle, actually a coming cycle. Now, what are the projections? Did I did them? Amazing, amazing, I did them. All right, so 36.60 for the third wave, and we're talking about near $60 for the fifth wave. For a coin, it's $5.34. So we're talking once again, what is it? 7, yeah, 6, 7. So 7 to 10, 11x, and could be way more, right? Could be way less also. And yeah, so another strategy that we can use also, we know that from this level, if we reach it, we're going to have this little guy here as a resistance. So we do take our measure and we say, okay, fine, this is a very nice, lovely, almost 43%. So let's say 40%. So if we want to increase our performance, we can use leverage, maybe 2x. That's make it 80, pretty much easy, right? So the main objective is not to put all your money into leverage, but you can put just 10% or 20% of the Rune that you wanna hold. Let's say I wanna invest $1,000 in Rune. So then I am going to keep my 90% or 80% of Rune into my long wallet, a spot one, and it's going to sleep there for 1.5 years. And I'm going to wake him up about between, I don't know, August to November 2025. But the other 10 or 20%, I can use leverage. And then if that 40% become 80, or I don't know, 200%, then suddenly you see that my only 10 or 20% is going to match up the quantity of Rune that I'm on my long. So when my I don't know, $100 become $300, then I can actually sell my Rune, maybe take $200 profit or $150 profit or $100 profit, allocate it to the spot, back to Rune, a higher price for sure than when we got here. But that's how we increase our position of every coin using leverage. And in worst case scenario, we just use 10%. So the bigger bag is safe and unleveraged. All right, so this is pretty much all. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any question or any comments, well, please drop them below. Also, please like the video, so it's going to help to spread the words. And yeah, so please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.